Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to Has to Be Rich, your go-to channel for building wealth and mastering your finances. Today we're diving into the 10 millionaire-making stocks for 2025 that could transform your portfolio. These picks are based on the hottest trends exploding right now, from AI dominance to healthcare breakthroughs. Stick around because this could be your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get in early. Let's jump right in. First off, why these stocks? In 2025, the market is buzzing with AI, EVs, and innovative tech that's already creating massive gains. We've seen Nvidia soar over 100% last year, and analysts predict even bigger rallies ahead. Whether you're a beginner or pro, these are actionable picks with real upside. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips like this. Stock 1, NVIDIA, NVDA. The king of AI chips. With AI spending projected to hit $300 billion this year, NVIDIA's dominance in GPUs is unbeatable. It's up huge already, but experts say it could double again as data centers expand. Pro tip: if you're risk-averse, pair it with an ETF like bots for diversification. Stock 2, Tesla, TSLA. Elon Musk's empire in EVs and autonomy. Tesla's stock is targeting $600 plus by year-end, driven by robotaxis and energy storage growth. With global EV adoption surging, this is a generational wealth builder. Watch for Cybertruck sales updates, they could send shares flying. Stock 3, Palantir, PLTR. Data analytics powerhouse. From government contracts to AI platforms, Palantir's revenue is exploding. It's predicted to hit $200 plus, with 2025 being a breakout year. Pro tip: check their quarterly earnings for ideal wins, that's where the magic happens. Stock 4, HIMS and AMP, HERS, HIMS. Telehealth disruptor. Personalized medicine is booming, and HIMS is leading with weight loss and wellness. Analysts see it reaching $110 plus, especially with telemedicine market growing to $450 billion. This one's for the healthcare trend lovers. Stock 5, Amazon, AMZN. E-commerce and cloud giant. AWS alone is a cash machine, powering AI for everyone. With e-commerce rebounding, Amazon could see massive gains. It's a forever stock, buy and hold for long-term millionaire status. Stock 6, AMD. Chip competitor heating up. AMD CPUs and GPUs are challenging Nvidia, with data center sales skyrocketing. Targets point to $250 plus, fueled by AI and gaming demand. Pro tip: diversify with semiconductors like TSM for broader exposure. Stock 7, Meta Platforms, Meta. Social media meets AI. From Instagram to metaverse investments, Meta's AI ads are printing money. It's undervalued compared to peers, with potential to rally big in 2025. Keep an eye on VR, AR developments. Stock 8, Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM. The foundry behind it all. TSM makes chips for NVDA, AMD, and more. With global chip demand up 20%, this is a safe play on tech growth. Analysts love it for stability and dividends. Stock 9, Lemonade, LMND. AI-driven insurance. This insurtech is revolutionizing policies with tech, and after a dip, it's primed for recovery. Could run to $60 plus with market expansion. High risk, high reward for bold investors. Stock 10, Oscar Health, OSCR. Healthcare innovator. Focused on affordable plans via tech, Oscar's enrollment is surging. It's a multi-bagger candidate in the aging population trend. Pair it with ARC Genomic ETF for extra upside. Bonus: For those who prefer less risk, check out ETFs like Vanguard S and AMP, P500, VU, for broad market exposure, or Global X Robotics and AMP, I, bots, to ride the AI wave without picking singles. These could outperform in 2025's economy. Disclaimer: the content on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and nothing shared here should be considered as professional financial, legal, or investment advice. Always do your own research, and consult with a qualified professional before making financial decisions. Your results may vary, and past performance does not guarantee future outcomes. So, there you have it, 10 stocks that could make you a millionaire in 2025. Which one are you adding to your portfolio? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video fired you up, smash that like button and subscribe to Has to Be Rich for weekly wealth building strategies. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research. See you in the next one.